Okay, we're going to use Inkscape to make some things. Your assignment is to make a stylized version of your name. So let's start out by looking at Inkscape here. So once you get Inkscape running, well, first let's talk about how to find it. On the Macs, go up to the search bar, type ink, and it will pop up. Click it. Click it once and wait. It's very slow to start up and it takes a little bit. On the PCs, go down to the bottom over here, hit the window button, and in the window button you have a search just like the Macs, a little magnifying glass, type in ink, and then you can start it. Okay, once it starts up, it looks like this. I'm going to make mine just a little smaller here. Alright, there we go. Now you can see all the tools. Alright, so we have lots of tools. This is a professional grade program. It does lots of things. So the first thing I'm going to do is type my name. So here's my A, over here is text. If you hover, it will show you what it is. So I'm going to type Mr. McQuay. Alright. Now, I'm going to go back to the arrow. Arrow is used a lot, and I can make this bigger, smaller, however I want. I can move it. I can also click one more time, and I can rotate it. Okay. I'll get it back. There we go. All right. I don't like that text, though. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this again, highlight it. Then, if I go up to text here and click text, over here, oh, let's try that again, text. There it is. Okay, over here, I can see the different font, and what I can do is I can arrow down, and it will show me the difference that the text look. Like that one's a little wider. Here, let's do this. Let's make this a little smaller so I can see my whole thing. Okay, here we go. So you get one that you like. I'm not seeing any that I like yet. I'm just going to keep going. There are a lot. That one's okay. I kind of like the funky ones. Those are down a ways. That one's kind of cool. Okay, I'm going to go with that. So I hit apply. There it is. I can make it bigger. I also have some choices here. Okay. All right. So there's my name. Now that's okay, but here, let's zoom in a little bit. View, zoom in. I'm going to get rid of the text thing right now. Okay, and I'm going to do that again. View, zoom in. View, zoom in. Okay. Now, there it is. Okay, so now let's make it a little different color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up Object, Fill, and Stroke. Okay, so fill is the inside stuff. So I could make that red, blue, yellow. Okay, now the outside, we can actually have a line on the outside. This is the stroke. Okay. X means nothing. This is a flat color. This is a linear grade. So in fill, let me show you what linear looks like. See how it's kind of light? And I can change it to be more or less. This one goes from the center out. Let's do a brighter color. Okay. There's the side. There's the center. Here's a pattern. That's weird. And swatch. I'm not sure what swatch is. So let's not use that. Let's use that one. Okay, so I'm going to go red. Now I'm going to go stroke. See, now it's got the black around it. Okay, so let's make that bigger. Stroke style. This right here is the width. It's 1 pixel right now. Let's make it wider. You see how it's getting brighter? Okay, that's too much. You decide what you like. I kind of like that. Now we can also make it a different color. We should be able to go down here and click a color, but that always seems to go to fill. So I'll show you a different way to do this. In stroke, if you just click on this up here, you can change the color. So I can change it to a yellow, whatever color I want. By just, there's a purple, just by playing with the colors up here. Okay, I could even just do this, the wheel, go whatever color you want. Pick one that you like. Well, that's kind of cool. Okay, so now you got your name. Let's put something behind it. Let's make a background. So I'm going to draw a oval. And right now it's, well, let's do that on the next video. So this will be just with your name.